Hello lovely people and welcome to my video. Today I have got the beautiful Be Sassy in Whimsical Watercolour. Such a beautiful bag and I'm so lucky to have it. It was really hard to get. I had to be very quick on the release morning, but I got one and I was so happy. I was determined to get one of these and they are beautiful. I believe they may be being re-released, so you might get a chance to grab one. Do if you can, because it's such a beautiful bag. I use it as a mummy bag. I usually have it as my little handbag and then have another bag like maybe the Be Supplied as my diaper bag, and it works really well like that, just so I can have my things to grab. I've also used it for short trips, and I've just put like a couple of nappies and some wipes. That works well as well, just so I have a few things where if I'm going to a cafe for a coffee and I just need a few bits and bobs to keep my little one entertained, it will all fit in. So today somebody asked me to do a packing video on Be Sassy, so I thought I would pack it up as best I could as a full diaper bag. I managed to get everything that I normally pack except for these things in. So I'm going to show you what I managed to get in there, and then I'm going to show you how I would normally have it as like a mummy bag. So first of all, let's have a look inside. So in the main compartment I have got some beautiful little mini bags in there. I have got an Olive Rose large set piece. Now this has got a change of clothes for both my children inside, along with a wet bag, some nappy cream and some nappy bags. So that one fits in there. I have also got a large set piece in the wallflower print. And this one has some nappies and some wipes in there. Next I have Secure Swell Medium. Now this is my restaurant kit, which you've seen in other videos. Just has bib and some snacks and things I might need for dining. And I have a Whimsical Watercolour medium, and this one has got all the small things that I normally have in the organised pockets in the other bags. I've kind of put all the small bits in there, so there's tissues, sun cream, reusable shopping bag, a little slim hand sanitizer. It's kind of all in there just so I know what to grab. I also managed to fit my Be Rich in the side, because they seem to fit in all the little slots that need using up. Great internal organisation. I haven't used it on this version of packing, but I am going to use those in my next part of the video. They're not going to waste. And then in the front section, just move my sweet little key fob out of the way. Let's zip her down there. And I literally have just used two small set pieces. One has got two Be Charged in there, so it's kind of an extension of my wallet, and the other one has got my medication and other mummy meds in there. So that was the best I could really do as a diaper bag, but I am going to do it another way as well, and I shall continue the video with that. So basically, as a mummy bag, I would just have my wallet, which I'm going to put in the front little mesh pocket up there. I then put my extended wallet with the Be Chargers in the one next to it. And then the one with my mummy needs and medication is going to go in the little pouched pocket at the back, so you can kind of see how it's starting to look really organised. And then this is when I would need my medium piece, which has all the small little bits and bobs in there, and that will just slot right at the bottom, so it's easy to grab, but the bag still feels nice and roomy, because when I use it as a mummy bag I don't want it to be stuffed. I just like it nice and roomy and accessible. So those are all like my mummy needs. I'd also probably put my phone in the front. My phone is just out of reach. Let me grab it. So I'm going to put my iPhone 7 in there. And I would also probably put like tickets if I needed them, like train ticket or something, and whatever small things, like perhaps some chapstick, little bits and bobs in there. And there you have it. I'm 5'2", but you can't tell because I'm sitting down. But you can see, just it takes up. It's just the perfect size for a shorter frame, I would say. I think they were originally designed to be kind of at the next step up from the Itty Bitty Bee and aimed at the children more, but I think us petite mamas are definitely enjoying it as a mummy bag, and definitely taller ladies too could definitely pull this off. It's not too small at all. You definitely wear it. I love it. So that's all for this bit of the video. I'm going to do a repack, and you'll see how that is just soon. Okay, so I have packed her up again once more. I've really tried to get everything I would need for a shopping trip, perhaps with my children, and I have managed to fit a few more things inside. I've made use of one of the side pockets this time, and I've put a little pouch in there with some med supplies, so it's like a mini med kit, would have the things that I'm most likely to use rather than the full med kit. I didn't put anything on the other side because I'm a bit full up, but I have done it slightly differently this time, and I've used medium pieces instead of large, and this is how she looks. I've even managed to fit 2 drinks bottles in, one for each of my children there, they fitted in. And I've got my wallet in the front pouch again, my Be Rich, and I've got a whole Huggies Clutch and Clean wipes with water wipes inside. I managed to fit that in there, along with the 2 medium set pieces, one with things that I'll need, and I've managed to fit the change of clothes, wipes, nappy bags, and cream into the medium. It was a bit of a squeeze, and the clothes are a little bit more summery, but they just about fitted. And then in the front I just have my phone. Let me open that a little bit more for you, and a small set piece which has my medication and other things like that. Can't go without. So it's quite a versatile bag. I think it's definitely good as a mummy bag, and I think as a short trip bag, so either would be fine. And I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.